Welcome back to Keto Journey. I'm Mike, your reformed fat man. Saw my burger video recently on doing it with Italian sausage. Got another idea for burgers. Brat burgers, which you can order. I can't find the pre-made burgers or the loose brat meat that you can make burgers out of, so I'm just going to take them out of the casing. I know some places y'all find it plentiful, not around here. So this is, how many ounces? 19 ounces, let's say, so just a touch over a pound. So what I'm gonna do with these is I'm gonna probably make probably four burgers to be just over a quarter of a pound each. So stick around. Now, you're saying probably, are you not eating ground beef anymore? Oh no, I'll still eat ground beef. The thing is, ground beef is more expensive. These were cheaper. These were on sale. I caught them at a good price, and I got them, and now I can make burgers out of it. They'll make just as good. Now, where I didn't season the Italian sausage, I'm gonna season these. And stick around and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, I've taken them out of the casing. All I did was make a slit, pull them right out. I put them all in here. There's 5 of them. So I'll use maybe a 1 1/3, 1 1/2, something. I'm just gonna mix it all up. And I've got salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder in here. So I'm just gonna mix it up. How much to do? Hey, that's up to you. Ever what you like. And if you want to add something else, paprika, whatever, it's your burger. Make it like you want it. And just work the meat until you get it good and incorporated. And when you see little clumps around, try and get them picked up with the meat. That'll stick to it, and then you can incorporate it in here. Okay. All right, now let's make a ball here. Let's make a ball. And we're gonna get a knife and try to quarter it. All right. See if we can't eyeball a quarter, get it half and half again. Much like I did with the other, but this time it's just in the bowl. Alright. That's done. Let's see if we can grab this up. And like I said, we're just eyeballing the weight. Although it's going to be pretty dang close to being fairly equal in size. And we're just going to pound out some burgers. Make us some burgers here. That'll be ready to go on the stove when we're ready to cook them. Which I'm probably going to do tonight. Or later this week, something like that. And these are just over a quarter of a pound each. Not much, maybe 4 3/4 ounces a piece. Not 5, because it was 18 ounces, something like that, the package was. So there they are, and we're set to go in the fridge. I'll package them up like I did the others. So y'all stick around, we'll cook them up, and I'll show you what they look like cooked up. Okay, so our Brat burgers have sat in the refrigerator and are now I'm ready to cook them. You can see they've set up real nicely. I use these things to separate them. I bought these little squares at Dollar Tree. So I think I told y'all that before, but if I didn't, just know they came from Dollar Tree, and they work really, really well. I really like them a lot. So let's get them. I got the stove heating up. Got some olive oil in the pan. Let's get our thermometer and get it up to temperature here. Oh, it's 190. We got a little ways to go. I want to get it to at least close to 300 as possible, and then put them in. So bring you back when it's at temperature. Alrighty, she's over 300 now, so can you hear the sizzle? I hear it. Gotta love that sizzle. And remember, we made 4 nice sized burgers. Tried to make them as uniform as possible. I'm sure we didn't quite get there, but now we let them cook and hope for the best. So, bring you back when these are ready to flip. Alrighty, these are ready to flip. Let's flip this over. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks real good. Get a sear on that side. And remember, these are not regular burgers. These are Brat burgers. So it's going to be a different flavor. And that's what we want. We want to kind of mix it up. Plus it was a dang sight cheaper than ground beef. Okay, now look at that sizzle. Now I've got it on a medium-low heat. But listen to that sizzle. I love that sound. And these are done, folks. So I'm going to pull them off. And we'll be going from there. So stick around and we'll see about a taste test when we're ready to eat these. Okay, the lovely Miss Paige has agreed to do a taste test for us. So what you have there, dear, is a Bratwurst Burger.
Bratwurst Burger.
Right. I
That's
took the
different.
Yeah. We've never made this before. You can buy the Bratwurst loose, like ground beef, but can't find it at our stores. So I took it out of the casings and just made burgers out of them.
Oh, wow.
Seasoned them up like you would a burger and cooked them in a pan like you would a burger. So
Oh my gosh.
So this is a hit.
Oh my God. This is so good. Bratwurst Burger.
Yeah.
So what did you mix with it? Or
Basically salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, and that's it.
another hit.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
Good. We'll have it again.
You promise?
I promise. All right, folks. You want some bratwurst? Here's your way of doing it a little different. I know you can buy it in the bulk package without having to take it out of the casings, but I looked and couldn't find it, so I took it out of the casings.
And this is veggies of some kind.
Oh yeah, that's stir-fried cabbage. All righty. Thank you, my love.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Till next time, this is Mike and Paige saying, let's be careful out there.